I'm not gonna be as crazy here because I don't want to lose my drone.
Can you fly it out to that rock and back?
Oh, I already flew it all the way, like...
Did you really?
Well, he flew it farther than your parents were on the boat.
That's crazy.
So what do I do with the camera?
It's gonna record your first time experiencing FPV.
Whoa! It's like a Game Boy. Oh, all right. That's pretty fun. Matt's doing little barrel rolls. We're flying over by aerial. Whee! That's cool, man. You really can fly it just like it's like a little jet fighter. What an incredible view. That was awesome.
We're recording your first FPV experience.
You're doing little flips?
What?
You're doing little flips?
What?
That's pretty cool. That is awesome.
Pretty cool.
Thanks.
But what was it like?
Oh, very cool. This was my first experience on a drone, and it was it's alright. I'm joking. It was pretty
alright.
cool.
How would you describe it to someone who's never experienced it before? If they were to say, what is FPV like?
It was the best crack.
The best what?
Best crack.
The best crack.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, do you know? Oh, wait. Sorry.
It was the best crack. It was better than crack, you say?
No. It's an Irish phrase where I mean, it was a lot of fun.
Oh, okay.
Not that type of crack.
Well, what kind of crack?
No, it just means or if someone comes up to you in Belfast or anything and says, oh, well, what's the crack? They're like, oh, how you doing? And then if someone says,
Like,
oh,
what's
that
cracking?
was, yeah,
Kind
well,
of.
yeah.
What's the crack?
And then, yeah, but you don't say what's crack, you say what's the crack. And then, and then if it's something's really good fun, you say, oh, that was really good crack.
That was really good crack. Every day, oh, wow, that was really good crack.
Yeah.
I said, how was it like? And she said, it was good crack.
Honestly, I'm surprised I even went that far.
You're so brave,
I am.
dangerous.
My goal was to go to the shoal, and I did.
My goal was to go to the show.
Yes.
Did you get off and walk on it?
No, didn't you see me? You were buzzing around.
Conquer that land?